to this channel, and today I'm going to be playing with my slime. So let's get started. So you're probably hearing something in the background. I'm going to put music on, so yay! And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I have my phone now. As you can see, it's 8:30. Well, 8:30. 8:03, sorry, because I'm looking at the camera lens right now, and it's confusing, so, yeah. And I'm sorry for not posting for a while. It's because, I had school and stuff. I started school on the 7th, so, yeah. And yeah, so I am going to be posting like a series video that was supposed to be posted last week, but I didn't get the chance to, because yet again, I'm always on my side speed. Hashtag kill it, anyway. It's awesome. It's an awesome phone. So yeah. And I will do like a iPhone 5C, what do you call it? Tell me in the comments, like showing you guys off in my channel. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, that's what we're going to do, yeah. This is very fun. I can see in the background. Say hi! Yeah. Really wants it. It's 10:54, 57, 58, 59, 2 minutes now. I haven't really got a case yet, but it's still in my pop socket, and it's not even been open. Like, it is from Dollar General, because I found stuff there, and I'm like, oh wow, so I should get it? And I was like, yeah, because I have my own money, duh. So, yeah. I don't know how long I'm going to be playing with this. It can make farting noises. I'm not sure if you can hear. I'm soon going to be getting my own room. So yeah, that's why you see this. Yeah, I share a room right now. And if you don't believe me, no, I'm not gonna do it. If you don't believe me, then I'm not gonna show you a room tour, because this is a messy room, and my dad said don't show it off to the people. But we are working on it. It's over that way. It's mostly cleaned up. But yeah, I do have shotguns, and I'm going to do a shotguns collection. So, here's my shotguns. Yeah. I have a lot of shotguns, even a checklist and stuff. So, give this video a thumbs up if you really, really love this pillow, because I love it. It's nice. Oh my gosh, give this video a thumbs up if you like this bear. I don't really play with it, and I don't really do anything with this that much, but it's very cute. I got it for Valentine's Day. Yeah. So, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!